Hello guys, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show you my live trade of Banknifty, which I took yesterday. So I deployed around 9,62,000 in this trade and made an ROI of 24%, which is 2,19,000 rupees profit. Let me just explain what happened. This is how the live trade looks like. Let me know in the comment section if you traded this triangle setup in Banknifty yesterday. I would like to know, and also please make sure to like this video. Let's get started. Hello guys, so I just took up a bank nifty trade because of this pattern. If you look at it, the bank nifty has been on this trend line. It was just on a sideways trend and kind of a breakout, I would say, in 75 minutes time frame if you look at it. So I thought this would be a good trade. So there is another pattern as well, which is this one. So this is already broken, so that is why I drew this one. So basically both the patterns are broken and I have taken some 10 lakhs, I guess. Let's see. Okay, cool. So I think I have invested more than 10 lakhs because of this bullish nature. I am expecting this to move up. I posted this on our community, of course, way below, when it took a support and formed a bullish candle, which is this one. I pushed it here. It took a resistance in this trend line and it has given a breakout. So this is when I have taken it. People have already made some profits here. I'm expecting this will give a little more profit. I can't show the MTM because of the obvious reason. You know the reason why I couldn't show it, because it's filled with other position which I'm not comfortable to show on public yet. So this is what I've taken today. I have exited this position. Have taken this position now. Okay, let's see how it goes. The momentum is there. Let me check the position as well, try to record it as well. What was the position? I have a lot of position, guys. So 42,300. okay, so I'm on a profit of 32,000 already. 34,000, 35. Nice move. $42 lakhs. Oops, sorry. 30,000 right now. 42 lakhs is the bigger MTM, the whole position. So for now, this position, it is 34,000, 38, 39. So yeah, I have deployed around 9,62,000 of options, and do you think I can add a little more? Probably 100 quantities. Okay, little bit. One more. Nope. Nope. Okay, never mind, guys. I don't think I can add any more. I think I have just 10 lakhs of worth of funds. Let's see how this trade goes.
Unknown caller.
I guess Nifty is shorting up. Yes. Nice. I was expecting this kind of a move in Nifty as well. It is looking good, guys. My position is looking good. My MTM has gone up 50 lakhs. So the MTM is, I mean, the Bank Nifty is doing really great, and so is my MTM. Right now around 44,000 profits. I have taken 42,300 November series, not the weekly expiry. It's this expiry will end next Thursday when I'm recording this on Tuesday. So not the coming Thursday, it's the next Thursday. So there is ample time, and it should do well. I'm gonna hold because it has taken out the major resistance, and I hope it will close a little bit strong. Uh, $42,000. I'm getting a lot of messages. Very good momentum, guys. Doing really well. So basically I entered here, okay, because of this breakout. Right now I'm at a profit of 66,000, which is really great. So 74,000. Guys, it is currently around 89,000. So 91,000. It is all about getting the right entries, waiting for the right time. I did not take any trades here, yesterday, even today morning. I did not take a trade. I waited for the breakout because it's not wrong to take a trade here with a stop loss here, but this time I'm comfortable with taking the breakout here because it could go sideways. Tomorrow it can gap up. I don't want to lose the premium there, so that I could get at a better price, right? So right now I'm around a profit around 1,12,000. This is going amazing, to be honest. My MTM is around 66 lakhs totally. Oh my god, what a day. You need not take any unnecessary trades every day. All you have to do is just wait for the right trade and go for it, so that your accuracy is better. Wait for the better setup, okay? So Right now I'm sitting at a profit of 1,23,000. Should I hold? Let me check. Yeah, I think I'll hold. This is going great, guys. Just a moment. Nifty. Yeah, so right now I'm at a profit of 1,63,000, and there is still 4 minutes left. I'm still holding. I'm just planning to exit half, guys. Okay, only 900 can be exited. Okay, just planning to exit half. I'll hold half, that's okay. I don't mind losing it. It is always better to book partial because I've made around just a moment, 16% so far. So I'll hold half tomorrow. Okay. What a move. 2 more minutes. Oh my god. I didn't expect this kind of a move, to be honest. It is going great. I think I'll exit tomorrow because the momentum is good. Yeah, I'll just hold, guys. I don't think I'll exit. Two lakhs of profit. Okay, the market has ended, and right now I'm at a profit of 2,19,000. So, and yes, this was again posted in the JFT options community, and people made money in this, as you can see here. 1,000, 11,000, which is like the course fee, almost the course fee. And you see a lot of 100 points and 7,000. So not only you learn how to trade options from scratch, but also the advanced concepts of how to trade, and you will also be a part of this community where we trade together. So this is how it works. Just go to my website justfortraders.in/options. You will find this, and there's some offer going on. Please make sure to use this code and enroll it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.